What's the advantage to TIG welding?
Definitely lots of advantages. Like I learned a lot when I went to tech school to build hot rods. How's it going, guys?
Man, that thing is beautiful.
Heck yeah, thank you, sir.
You want to take me for a ride?
It's always a good day to take a ride in a 54 Vet, but I think we got work to do today.
Got work to do?
Yeah, we got trailers to build.
Oh man. All right, let's get that done. You take me for a ride.
All right.
So what do you need help with today, Red?
Just got this Highland 60 ready to go. Need to blow it apart and get ready for powder coat.
Oh no. All right.
Yeah.
We got a little bit of stuff here.
Heck yeah. Tongue box, everything's ready to go.
All right. All right, Red, let's go, man.
Heck yeah.
This is exciting.
Time for a ride.
All right, bro. Man, this is a first for me. This thing is sweet.
Heck yeah. They're fun.
So here it is, huh? Road
Yeah,
runners.
the old clubhouse.
Nice. Thanks for bringing me down, man.
Yeah, no worries.
Excited to see it.
Heck yeah.
Right on.
Some more hot rods in there.
All right.
This is rad.
Man, this place sure is cool, and so is the vet. Thanks for the ride.
Heck yeah, no worries.
Yeah. So cars, man, this has been a lifelong thing for you?
Oh yeah, I love cars. I grew up around cars. My dad always took me to car shows and stuff, so it's really always been a part of my life.
Right on, yeah. And that was, where did you grow up?
I grew up in West Texas, pretty much in the middle of nowhere. All there was to do is work on hot rods and eat barbecue.
Hot rods and barbecue, that doesn't sound bad.
Heck yeah.
I like it. That means to me that like working on cars, your love of cars, and your job now, welding, it's all part and the same. It's all.
Oh yeah, definitely. Like I learned a lot when I went to tech school to build hot rods on how to, fit and finish the cars and how to weld and all those kind of things. Really bringing all that together to build trailers is really working out for Sasquatch trailers.
Oh yeah, totally. Well, people see our welds at the trade shows. Guys that know what they're talking about, they come over, they have a look, they're like, oh, this guy knows what he's doing.
I definitely love seeing that.
Yeah, we get a lot of comments like that.
Heck yeah.
Yeah. So, dude, the main difference, I guess, between working on the hot rods and then working on Sasquatch campers is Sasquatch campers are an aluminum build.
Yep.
It seems like it's a rare thing to find a good aluminum welder.
Oh yeah, aluminum's a lot harder to do, and it's a lot harder to find the guys that'll do that.
Yeah.
It's not like working on the pipeline or something. It's not like oil field work.
Right.
It's a lot harder, a lot more strenuous activity to do aluminum welding.
TIG welding.
Yeah, TIG welding. A lot of people do MIG welding on a lot of these trailers, and we do all of our trailers completely TIG welded.
What's the advantage to TIG welding?
Definitely lots of advantages. Less heat penetration into the surrounding materials, so you don't get a lot of fatigue into the materials, and it lasts a lot longer.
Yeah, right on. Cool. Well, we do back our chassis with a lifetime warranty, so we got to make sure that they're tough, right?
Right, that's why.
Yeah.
You know they're going to last. That's why you get a lifetime warranty with them.
We do the worrying, so you don't have to worry about it.
Heck yeah.
Well, Red, thanks for taking time out of your busy day building campers.
It was my pleasure.
Right on. I guess we should probably get back to work.
I don't know. It's pretty late.
I feel like I got my work done today.
Yeah, we should definitely have a beer.
Yeah, there's a bar right there.
Let's go.
All right.